This morning I was looking at Amazon Prime and trying to catch some of the deals because I need a jumper pack for Scarlett. If y'all don't know or you're new to the channel, Scarlett is my B6 Audi A4 Ultra Sport Quattro manual. So I need a jumper pack. Alex from Legit Street Cars recommended a Fanttik brand. That's the brand Fanttik. And so I found both of them. The Fanttik was about 109, and the other one that I found being the Hulkman, which actually I just got this morning after ordering it 6 hours ago. Here you have it. I just got it. It was a little bit more pricey, but I kind of went for it just to test it out because it also had this heat tech where I guess it warms up when it's ultra cold outside. It will operate at minus 40 degrees. I don't know how true that is, but I'm in a northern state and it's super cold in the winter, and I'm excited to try it out. It's two-way charging, which means you can output from the USB-C and you can also charge with that same USB-C port. So both of these devices have two-way 65-watt charging and fast charge, I should say, and I was super interested in that because I wanted to be able to charge it really quickly. And I believe the Fanttik, I've been pronouncing it Fanttik, but it's Fanttik, holds its charge for over 2 years, 24 months, while the Hulkman states that it will hold its charge for 15 months or 18 months or something like that. Long enough charges, but until I thoroughly get to test it out, I'm not sure if those numbers and figures are guaranteed. However, I love the fact that I've seen the Fanttik in action on Alex's channel, and I'm hoping that the Hulkman does just about the same. The one drawback is that the Fanttik, the one that I ordered, comes with a case, while I had to spend an extra $24 to get the Hulkman's case. Overall, I'm hoping to test these out this weekend, so stay tuned. If you have any comments about each one of these, if you've had experience with either one of them, leave it in the comments. I'd love to hear about what you've experienced. Also, on Amazon, I was able to see some disturbing reviews on the Fanttik, and so I'm hoping to see a little bit more or find out some more for myself when I continue doing these reviews. Hopefully this will help someone else who's in the same position looking at both of these products. The packaging on the Hulkman is really, really nice. I'm hoping to see the case sometime this weekend, while the Fanttik should be coming in tomorrow as well. Hopefully get to see them and play around with them, and hopefully come to some conclusion as to which one I'm gonna keep. Or I might keep both of them because I have two cars. It would be nice if we had one in each vehicle. All right? Here are all the items you get inside the Fanttik T8. So with the Fanttik T8, as you can see, you get this unit, the jumper pack, and you get a cigarette lighter, USB-C and USB-A ported And then you have USB-C to USB-C and USB-A to USB-C. And your leads. And you also get a block, charging block, a USB-C charging block. And that's what you get in the package. Documentation, the unit, under the unit, you have the leads, USB-C to USB-A, or vice versa, I meant. As you can see, right there. And then a USB-C charging block. So there's no USB-C to USB-C cable. And obviously you don't get the case. You have to buy the case separate. And this is the Hulkman case. This is what the inside of the case looks like. So the unit would go here, and the leads would go in here, maybe like that. And then you put it wrapped like that. Okay, fair enough. And then you put the block in here with the USB cable. And that is that. Voila. Side by side comparison. The case for the Hulkman is a little bit smaller than the Fanttik. However, the Fanttik is more thought out, as in compartmentalized, as you can see in the layout, versus the Hulkman. So you'd want to choose which one of these packaging you'd want, and ultimately how you'd want to use it. For me, what I like about the Fanttik is that the packaging is really nice. It comes with the case already, while the Hulkman, the case layout isn't as great, and it's more expensive because then you have to buy the case separate. Overall, I believe I spent 100 and maybe 40 something bucks on the Hulkman with the case, and then the Fanttik came with the case, and that was about 110 bucks. And both were on Amazon Prime deals, and I think I like the Fanttik more because of how it's packaged and stuff. However, the Hulkman said it had a feature where something about the warming up the battery during wintertime, so that you can get a better jump out of it. That was one of the features that the Hulkman came with. I do like the sleek design of the Hulkman, but the case and having to spend that extra money for a case that wasn't really fully thought out. The charging block could have been done differently. It could have just been the USB-C to USB-C like what the Fanttik has, and have a block. I have many blocks around since I have a lot of USB-C devices. So interchanging pieces and the wattage from the block seems consistent with any other device. I could even use like an Anchor USB-C block. Anyhow, as I said, the case, I guess they wanted to keep the case small, so that's what they have. Hope you like this video. If there are any particular questions you want to know, hit me up in the comments. I will be testing these devices out in the next couple weeks and seeing which one I like. Yeah, let's take it from there. One more thing to note with the Hulkman is that though it has the ability to do two-way USB-C charging, because it only has the block, it's not portable. So if I wanted to charge inside the car using the cigarette lighter USB-C, I couldn't because it's not packaged with one. So that's where the Fanttik takes the cake. I would probably go with the Fanttik because of all the features and all the readily available accessories that it comes with. From what I'm seeing here, it seems the Hulkman charges a little bit faster than the Fanttik. Interesting. See, right now it's at 92. This was at 86. It's at 87. But I think overall the Hulkman charges faster. Both charge to 100. When you feel their adapters, the Fanttik is a bit hot compared to its counterpart Hulkman, but they're both charged to 100%. So if you own either one of these devices, hit me up in the comments below. Let me know what you think about each one of them, why you chose one over the other. I'm very interested to understand what your preferences were. Thank you. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Peace.